Room service. Room service. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Cynthia from Room Service Department.
I will serve your breakfast menu. Where can I put your breakfast menu?
In here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Your breakfast are 1 portion omelette, 1 portion fruit salad, 1 portion bread baguette, 1 portion apple juice, and 1 portion tea.
Anything can I help you, ma'am?
No.
Excuse me, this is your bill. Your order amount 100,000 rupiah. Please a segment here, and you will be included with your room. Thank you, mom.
Please enjoy your breakfast, mom.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Room service. Room service.
Excuse me, may I click up your breakfast, mom? Yes, of course.
Excuse me, mom.